everyone, it's Rami again.
So Rami, it looks like we are getting ready for another fun activity. What are we gonna do today?
We're going to do slime rainbow Orbeez.
Wow, that sounds like so much fun. And tell me, what are we using for this?
Glue.
Glue? Oh, I see.
And
Oh, the activator. Very good. What
and
else?
the Orbeez.
Orbeez, okay.
And the container.
Oh, okay. We're gonna use the container to make this. Okay. All right. So we're gonna make this slime with these three things inside the container. Very good.
Okay.
All right. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right. Are you excited, Rami? Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, Rami. So first step, you said that we're gonna use this glue bottle.
Sound.
Can we put it all in the container?
No, Mom said slow.
Slowly? Okay. Go ahead. You do it. The whole thing? Do. Go ahead. That's a lot of glue. It looks fun though. Wow.
We finished the whole thing.
Okay. Are you drawing something with the glue like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to break ray.
Okay, here we go. Almost done. A little bit more.
Bubbles!
Yeah, we made bubbles. The bottle is empty. There we go. So we use one whole bottle of clear glue. This one happened to be, let me see, 16 ounces. Okay, so we put this away. What are we doing next, Rami?
We're going for the Orbeez and the glue.
Perfect. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, slowly, slowly. Okay, this way, right here. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. All of them?
Yeah.
So many and so different colors. Look at this. Okay, now I assume we have to mix them, right? Okay, you slowly, slowly mix them up. Let's see how you like it. How does it feel?
Good.
Gluey?
Slippery.
Slippery. Look at that.
Slimy.
Slimy too.
Squishy.
Alrighty. It looks like, let me see. Let me see.
Looks like a rectangle.
Right? That's what I was gonna say. You know what? Look at this. No, wait. Let's give me that.
I saw glue and sticky. Done.
Done? You're done mixing the Orbeez?
Yeah.
Well, the next step is to add the activator. Here we go.
Yeah.
This is the magical liquid that's gonna make the whole project come through. Slowly. Yeah, you do it. Slowly. Help me. All over the place. There you go.
Now the other one.
All over the place. Mix it. Let's see how it goes. Mix it.
Done.
No, you have to mix very well. So far we put one.
It's
Yeah, look at that. So far we put only 1/4 of a cup of activator. People can use the borax, but because you are a kid, we use something that we found at Walmart. It's called magical liquid, right? And it's non-toxic. So because Rami is a kid, I think this is safe for us for this fun activity. Okay, but borax with warm water works just perfect, right? Okay, so this is the second 1/4 of a cup of the activator. Okay, can you help me, Rami? Slowly. Yeah, let's put it everywhere like this. Hopefully this is gonna be enough for the slime to become the consistency that we like. Okay, let's see. Let's mix, Rami. Go ahead.
This.
Yeah, slowly. I'll hold the container for you. There you go.
Crash.
You see, it's coming together. See, look.
Crash.
We're crashing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Crash.
make some more. There we go.
We're crashing, Mama.
Hey, I like the Orbeez inside the slime. Look at this. Let's mix, Rami.
It's sweaty. It looks like long pasta.
Okay, so it looks like we need maybe another half of this 1/4 of a cup. Just like this. Let's see. So it's gonna be perfect. There we go. All right, time to mix.
How mix?
Yep, you got the small, I got the big spatula. Time to mix again.
It's so stretching. Ah.
Let's try it.
Ready? Ask it.
Rami, do you think he's almost ready?
Yeah, my slime is almost ready. Ask it in.
Awesome.
Scoops. Line up.
Look at this. Okay.
Look. Lining.
So, Rami, we used almost 3/4 of a cup of the activator and 16 ounces of clear glue. And this is the result. This is ready. This slime is ready. Let's get rid of the spatula. Why don't we throw this on the table? What do you think?
Yeah!
I knew you were going to say that. All right, Rami, are you ready to dump this on the table?
Yeah!
All right, let's flip this container right here. Here we go. Yeah! Look at this.
Slimy.
Yeah, I know, huh? More, everything. All the Orbeez, all the slime. Like this. There we go. It's all on the table now. No more container. Here we go.
You see them? They're fluffy.
Go with the hands. Go with the hands.
Awesome.
Mix it up. Mix it up with the hands. Mix it up with the hands.
Awesome.
Look at me. Look. So much fun. Look.
And let's make a big one. Let's make a big bubble. A big bubble.
Whoa! Look at the Orbeez are flying everywhere.
Don't tell me, Papa.
Isn't this fun? Look at it.
That was the sound of the slime.
It's the sound of the slime. That's right.
It filled up.
It's okay.
It was slime.
Put your hands around me.
I can't. It's too sticky. Papa, don't put the cards in the slime and mix it.
Of course, you can do anything you want. Look, it's ready. See? Now, yeah? Nice and fluffy. Go ahead with your cards. Put it inside. Mix it in the slime. There you go. Ooh, the card is disappearing. Look at that. Can you find it?
Yeah, I can.
What about, put the other one. What about the other one? Put it here.
The Jackson.
Yeah, Jackson one, yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Boom, gone.
One.
Gone.
This
Yeah,
one.
put another one. Okay, this one, the red one, your favorite one. 1, 2, 3, gone!
I have some miracle with the
Your
ball.
cars are trapped in the slime.
Ah, my cars. Trap.
Your cars, you know what? Your cars are playing right now. There is a look. They're all totally covered. Look.
It's playing that.
All right, get the cars out of the slime. I'm laughing because Rami loves the slime, but he doesn't like anything sticky to his hands.
I don't like any sticky.
Well, you have to get the cars out. See, the cars are calling you. Rami, help, help.
I'm getting you out.
Okay, thank you.
I'm getting one out.
Okay, you got one. What about the other ones?
No, this.
Well, look at the red one. Your favorite one is there.
Oh,
Get your red car
there
out of
is.
the slime. There you go. Almost done.
It's ready. Wow. The Jackson one now. rescued. Okay. Sticky! I'm sticking it. I'm sticking it. Bye, kids. See you next time. I did not like the slime. It was too sticky. Look at this, miss. I did not like the slime.